Last year, OpenAI released something that's going to change the game for everyone looking to design more charts for their workplace, school, or business. And today I want to do a tutorial to show you exactly how to use it and where to get it. So, I wanted to lay a couple ground rules here for people who are not used to AI and AI tools. I'm sure everyone has used ChatGPT or Pilot at least once by now, but you can do so many more things with it. In fact, if you're interested in more tutorials, comment down below the video and let me know because I'd be happy to teach whatever I can. I'm learning these tools right now and they're incredible with what they're capable of doing. The other thing that's important to remember for people who haven't used AI tools before is you have to be very specific in your use cases. Because of how they're designed, typically they only do one or two things, with the exception of some of the bigger ones like ChatGPT-4, which is what this is going to be on now, Pilot or Gemini. The other models are typically a lot smaller in scope. Anyways, let's get on with the video and let me show you how to get to and use this particular plugin. One other thing I wanted to add, if you are interested in learning more about it, ChatGPT, like most other developers out there, does have their documentation listed on this website here. I'll put it down in the comments below, chatplugin.org. So typically, in fact, I will log out and show you, this is not what you see. If we log in here to a different account that I have access to, let's use this one. So now that we've signed in to ChatGPT, you'll notice typical screen like you've seen before with the text message function on ChatGPT-4's main page. Where we're going to find this is here in this section. There will be other things in here, which again, if you're interested, I'd be happy to test some of these out and let you know how they work. But for this, we're just going to use diagram show me. And to do that, easiest way to get there is just search, pull up this diagram here, and start chat. One of the things I like to tell everyone when I'm teaching them about these tools is be specific. And that's what we're going to do here. To help with this, I already generated a prompt that we're going to use here, and that is show me a mind map of all the different content types available to marketers to use in their marketing strategy. I'm going to put it here in this box here, and we're going to hit enter. And here we go. And here is the diagram. Obviously, there are additional things in here that you can use. I'm going to download this right away so I keep it, but you can also see it in full screen. So as you see, we have written content, audio content, visual content, video content, and interactive content, which are the typical things that you see, and a bunch of different options down below. ChatGPT and other AI models have a lot of really interesting capabilities starting in 2024 and into the future. My biggest advice to you is if you are wondering about these tools, don't be scared. Go on the internet, look at the documentation, and learn how to use it. It's going to be a helpful tool in your arsenal, regardless if you are a marketer, an analyst, or whatever your position may be. Thank you all so much for watching today. If you like this kind of tutorial content, please comment down below and let me know, and share it with someone else who could use this content. Thank you all, and have a wonderful rest of your night.